Have a WavPack audio collection and notice companion WVC files alongside the main tracks? These correction files are the key to lossless playback quality. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how WVC files work with your WavPack audio library. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange WVC formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A WVC file is a correction file created alongside a lossy WavPack audio file, WV. It contains the lost information needed to restore the lossy file back to the original, bit-perfect, lossless audio. This hybrid approach allows users to have a smaller, high-quality file for casual listening and restore it fully when needed. The WVC file is a binary data file containing the differential information between the original PCM audio and the lossy compressed version. This design cleverly separates the core lossy data from the restoration data, allowing for flexible use cases, while ensuring perfect reconstruction by combining the .wv and .wvc files. For direct reading of WVC content, the best choice is WavPack developed by Conifer Software, David Bryant. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows can play many formats directly, but full control requires specialized editing software. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your WVC file and select Open With. If WavPack is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed reader. If you cannot access the WVC file, no problem. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the WVC problem. First, playing with VLC Media Player. Open the corresponding WV file in VLC Media Player, keeping the WVC file in the same folder with the same base file name. VLC automatically detects the companion WVC and combines both streams for lossless playback. Without the WVC present, VLC plays only the lossy version of the audio track. Next, using Foobar 2000, install Foobar 2000 with WavPack component support and open the WV file in the player. With the matching WVC file in the same directory, Foobar 2000 reconstructs the lossless audio for playback. The component handles both pure lossless and hybrid lossless modes transparently during playback and conversion operations. Finally, converting to lossless format. Use the WavPack command line WV Unpack tool to decode WV plus WVC pairs back to WAV format. Run WV Unpack input BEO output.wave and the tool combines both files, producing a bit-perfect wave reconstruction. The resulting wave file matches the original audio source before WavPack encoding. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.